How's everybody doing? God damn it. So I'm just hanging out in a motel room, just bored. Thought I'd do a feed. See if anyone wants to chit chat. Guess not. Hey Patrick, how's it going? Yeah, we're just hanging out here in a motel room there. I just got up from a nap. Chewing a Jolly Rancher to get the sleep taste out of my mouth. When I was in the hospital, I'm feeling good, man. When I was in the hospital, I had something called a thrash. It's like this yeast infection on your tongue. Yeah, I didn't even realize I had it. The only reason I had it because I was suffering from sensitive teeth in the hospital. So the doctor opened my mouth and she noticed that I had that thrash. It's gone now, but being on the pain meds and stuff really makes your mouth dry, and so I picked up some Jolly Ranchers. So I just had a pretty cool accomplishment. I walked from, see if I can turn this around here. So there's my bed, and there's where the Jolly Ranchers are. So I managed to walk back to there and back without any assistance from my trusty walker here. So, feeling pretty damn good about that. Walking on my own. We still got a long way to go, but still a pretty cool accomplishment. Couldn't do that 2 months ago. Definitely couldn't do that 2 months ago. Yeah, so I'm just bored. My thank you tribute video was going to be my last video on Facebook. So I don't know if I'll keep this one or not, but I'm just bored and lonely. So I thought I'd do a feed and shoot the shit with everybody. Hey Deb, how are ya? Probably not the best time of the day to do a live feed, but one of my friends on Facebook, she's doing a live feed about 3 o'clock. She's a nutritionist or nutrients and shit. She's on my page here. On my Facebook page, I recommended her. But anyways, whenever she does a feed there, she usually gets a shitload of people there. So I guess her shit is definitely more interesting than my story, which is fine. I said it wasn't about likes or anything that for me. So I'm just trying to tell a story, and some people like it, some people don't. Some people are inspired, some people are not. I just know that I have a lot of interesting things happen in my life, being bipolar and that. So I just, lots of interesting things always pop up. Not the last couple days though. Well, I am free from the hospital, so feeling pretty good about that. Jolly Rancher candies are the shit. You know why I like them? Because you can't crush them up with your teeth. They're too hard, so you have no choice but to suck and savor them. Anyone else out there like Jolly Rancher candy? It says I have one viewer. So to that one viewer, whoever you might be, Do you like Jolly Rancher candies? Oh, you guys are giving me nothing here. Maybe I'll have to go back to bed. My hat won't stay curved. I don't know why it does that. The peak always wants to go flat. Won't stay rounded. I like my peaks curved. I like them curved. So even with the Jolly Rancher, when they're small, you still can't fucking crunch them. Well, you can, but I think it damage your teeth. So what do I got coming up? So I got 3 things I have to do. I gotta buy a vehicle, gotta find a job, and I gotta find an apartment. Now I'm really debating on which order to do that in. That's the dilemma. I'm leaning towards getting the vehicle first so I can get a place close to work, wherever that may be. Yeah, so that's pretty much what's happening right now, what my focus is on. And not too many people are joining in, and I'm running out of things to say, so take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Crom bless you all. Later, nights.